Today's class we will talk about the chapter number 11, infinitives. The base form of a verb preceded by to or without to is known as infinitive. This is a non-finite verb and is not restricted or controlled by person, number or tense. There are two types of infinitive. First one, full infinitive, that is 2 plus V1, and second one is bare infinitive, that is without 2, means simply V1. Examples: the cat tried to catch the mouse. In this sentence, to catch is the infinitive. Bare infinitive, it has already been mentioned. Functions of full infinitive, 2 plus V1. First one, as the subject of a main verb. To exercise daily is good for health. To make mistakes is normal. These two examples, and in these two examples, to exercise, to make, these two are infinitives and have been used as the subjects of the verb is. Second one, as an object of a transitive verb. I do not like to read. Object of the verb like. He offered to pay. Object of the verb offered. Third one, as the direct object of a verb which has two objects. Mother told me to study. We convinced Nana to stay. Me and to study in the first sentence, and Nana and to stay in the second sentence are the objects. Now, fourth one, as the complement of a verb. His ambition is to become an actor. Her greatest wish is to dance. Now, fifth one, as the object of a preposition like a noun. The train is about to leave the station. He had no option except to hide. In these two sentences, to leave and to hide are the objects of the preposition about and except like nouns. Exercise A. Underline the infinitive and state its function in each sentence. Only answers are given. To sing as the subject of the verb like. To sing as the subject of the verb is. To wait as the object of the verb decided. To green as the complement of the verb appeared. To laugh as the subject of the verb is. To wait as the object of the verb asked. Full infinitive 2 plus V1 can be used as an adverb by qualifying verbs or adjectives. As an adverb, the infinitive may qualify a verb, usually to express purpose or cause. He went to the market to buy clothes. Purpose: she cried to see the state of her house, that is cause. Now, second one, as an adverb, the infinitive may qualify an adjective. They were eager to learn. Nuts are healthy to eat. To learn qualifies the word eager. To eat qualifies the word healthy. These two are adjectives. As an adjective, when it tells us more about a noun. This is not the time to joke. To joke qualifies the noun time. She is a person to admire. To admire qualifies the noun person. The full infinitive 2 plus V1 can also have the following forms. The perfect infinitive, to have plus past participle, to have broken, to have seen. The continuous infinitive, that is to be plus V4, present participle, V4 means. And here are some examples. The meeting was to have taken place today. I would like to have seen the Eiffel Tower. I would really like to be trekking in the mountains right now. So for today it is over.